Now that your fans are earning loyalty points, we need to create some loyalty rewards. You can click the button below this video in the Welcome Assistant or hover over Promotions in the navigation toolbar and click Add. Select Loyalty Reward. Give your reward a title and describe it to your fans. Now you can decide who can redeem this loyalty reward: people near your stores, across the country, or even the world. And you can restrict the number of redemptions. Now decide how many points your reward will cost fans and how they should redeem this reward by clicking a button or scanning a QR code. Select the store where they will receive this reward and upload an image for your reward. There are some more options in the advanced settings where you can choose how long the code is active for and create follow-up actions. Click Save. And your loyalty reward is ready.